Good evening and welcome again to my channel. My name is NK Dynamic Kitchen. This evening I've got something to show you that I bought in African shop. It's so good, it's so nice, it's so yummy. If you're on a low carb, it's very good for you and it will help you to keep your weight. So that's why I'm shooting this video, and I want to show you how you can make it, how you can prepare it. Let's go. This is what I want to show you. They call it African Fufu. Here they said it's African Fufu. Yeah, and it comes in 5 kgs and 10 kgs. The thing is so nice, so yummy. So I've cut the bag and I poured it inside one of the plastics. I poured it inside this plastic. You can see how it looks like from the plastic. You can see I had to pour it here because if you want to get it from the bag, it will just split everywhere. So you can see how it looks. So, just like flakes. It's not as heavy as pounded yam or gari or any other one. So you can see. So here I've got my pot. This pot is very beautiful and so good. I got this pot from NKY'S. It doesn't stain, it doesn't gum. Yeah, it's a very good pot. If you finish using it to make eba or to turn eba or anything or pounded yam, you can just easily wash it off. It's so nice. So that's my water. And I got this pot at NKY'S, but in the US they call it TJ Maxx. So we have to wait for the water to boil because you can't do it with cold water. As I said, you can also get it in 10 kg, but this one is 5 kg. But I don't know if they have the small packs. I only know the 5 kgs and the 10 kgs. The bad thing about this pot is that it is very hot. If you touch it by mistake, it's going to peel off your hands, your fingers. So it's very hot. So one has to be very careful. You must hold it with something that can help you stay away from burning your body. So the water is boiling. As the water is boiling, start pouring it inside. I just put a small cup to make it easier for me so that it doesn't pour on the floor, because it splashes everywhere because it's so light. And it's so easy, anybody can make this. I have to put it on a low heat. It's so easy to make. Just less effort. You can make it with less effort. You just put it on a low heat. less effort. I just need to put some water in the pan. If you feel it's too soft, you can add more. Okay. As I said, it's less effort. It's so easy. So usually if you're making pounded yam, we allow it to cook and cook for a while so that you add water and you leave it to cook. But this one does not need that. Just come out very nice. You can see how soft it is. Very soft. If you want to lose weight, it's very good for you. If you want to go on low carb, very nice for you. Let's see. 5 minutes, you finish making pounded yam. You finish making the African fufu. See how sweet. Wow. Can leave it to cook for a while, maybe for like 3 minutes. You can use it for any soup of your choice. You can also use it to serve meals that you mix with potato mash, mashed potato. Any meal that you serve with mashed potato, you can use it to serve it because it's just mashed potato, but they said it's African fufu. And see, it's ready. So that's our African fufu flakes ready. To enjoy light food, try this. Let's see the African fufu. Like pounded yam. Okay, you can see our African fufu flakes. Oh my god. And this fufu flakes is made in Holland. Just easy made pando. So here I've got this one has been here for 2 days. I put it in the fridge, so just to see the texture. And this is the new one I've just done. So I'm going to see the difference. So this one is very soft, you can see. This is the new one, the one I did today. I've got my Nsala soup here, my pepper soup. And this is the old one, the one I did about 2 days ago. And see, it's still okay. They are both nice, still okay. Just want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, new and old. I just want to say thank you to everyone. I appreciate you. I thank you so much for Sean and them. Also in helping me share my videos. Thank you so much. God bless you and your families. Bye bye. Until we meet again next week.